Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can execute a code in Kotlin after a time, maybe milliseconds or maybe seconds. Okay, firstly we have to use handler. Import that class from android.os, here that one, and you have to insert parentheses. In the parentheses, argument will be this one, looper. You have to use that looper and call for getMainLooper. Okay, now after all parentheses you can use dot postDelayed. Okay, now in the parentheses you can insert braces. After braces you have to provide how many milliseconds you have to delay execution. So insert comma, we can insert 1000, which is 1000 milliseconds equivalent to 1 second. Now in the braces we can continue our code, like I have to start activity after 1 second. Okay, now we can say like 4000 for 4 seconds. Let's run this. Now I'm going to click on that start the game button. I click on that. Okay, you can see it took 4 seconds. Now I'm going to close that and click that again. Click it. Okay, now let's insert 1000. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Clicked it. Okay, the activity is started. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.